Hi everyone, my name is Sam. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notification every time I post a new video. Also, please like this video for the YouTube algorithm. This will help me grow this channel. In this video, I want to show you how you can create realistic images using OpenAI platform called Dall-e 2. So let's get started. I'm currently on the OpenAI website, and to use Dall-e, you'll go to products and then go to Dall-e 2 and then click on that. So here it kind of gives you a little explanation of what Dall-e is, some of the paintings that it created. So here for this one, it says that this was the input and this was the output. So I would recommend everyone to check it out. But to go to Dall-e, you'll just click on try Dall-e. So it took us to Dall-e, and this is Dall-e. As you can see, I'm already signed up and signed in. If you don't have an account, you might have to create your own account. So there are a couple of ways to use this. One of them is that you have to kind of give your own prompt and it gives you images. So these are all the images that it created like that. Or you can upload your own image and then it will kind of give you the ability to prompt like add a prompt to it, or you can edit it some other way as well. So for this one, I'm just going to say that surprise me, and this will kind of create an image for me. I'll just remove this uh, and let's see what happens. So this will kind of create an image for me. It takes like a couple of seconds, maybe like 15 to 30 seconds, I would say, to just process an image. But as compared to some of the other tools that you might have used, like Blue Willow or Mid Journey, they all kind of take a similar amount of time. So this is one of the images that it created for me. I can also like go back, look at this one. It also gives you the ability to save the image, and this is number third. I mean, these are pretty cool images, I think. Comparing that is free. The other thing that you can do is that you can upload your own image. So here it gives you the option to upload it. I can add this image on here. This is like a ChatGPT logo. I'll just skip cropping, and now I'll just accept this. So here now I can add whatever. So if I can say that ChatGPT image in a green valley, I'm pretty sure it's not going to give me like a super cool image, but I just want to. This is just an example on how I want this to work. So uh, let's see, green valley with mountains, and let's see what kind of images create. So this is kind of the edit mode. This is also in beta since GPT-4 is here. So GPT-4 is sort of the underlying platform for most of the products that OpenAI is kind of offering. As the GPT-4 kind of get more, get more smarter, these things will also get more smarter. So here we are. This is the image. I can see the next one. Here we go. Green Valley. There's a ChatGPT logo on here. I can also try this one. So here we go. There are like a bunch of images with ChatGPT logo on there. I wonder if I can move the logo. I'm not able to do that. Here we go. This is another image with ChatGPT logo on here. So I think when I did that, I can just add the position of the image. If I can add if I can change the position of the image somewhere in the middle and then ask for the same thing, it's possible that the photos it generated will be different. But here it is giving you a bunch of options on, like, if I want to accept this, so I can accept this, and it also kind of gives me an option to let's see. So I accepted that, and now it is generating more images based on that. So let's see what happens. It might take a minute. I'm just going to wait for it. But as you can see that this is like a very good tool that can be used to create your own images. So if you want to customize the image that you already have and you want to add more things to it, you can definitely do that. This is also in beta mode at the moment, and it will probably get improved later on. But uh, yeah, so this is how you can use Dall-e for free. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.